welcome back to another video. So I got another hair slate for you guys, and let's just say that hunty, I am serving Hollywood Barbie, baby mama, sexy baby mama realness. Like, come on. So today's video is gonna be on something more affordable hair. Introduce you guys to some affordable bundles and frontal deals. We need them, okay? Make sure you like this video, comment down below, and make sure you share on your Instagram, your Twitter, your all that. And make sure you subscribe, girl, cause you know you clicked on this video for a reason. It's finna be lit. It's finna be all of that, and yeah, that's what I'm trying. So subscribe, baby, be a part of the Baby Nation or whatever, okay? So for further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so this hair is from Janet Collection. It's a 13x4 frontal, and you know, it comes with the bundle. It's all inclusive, you know, it comes with the frontal and the bundles in one pack. However, this is a different type of frontal, guys. This frontal is a 13x4 frontal. However, in the middle it's a closure. So this much of the frontal is a closure, and then you know the rest of the frontal is just like the rest of the frontal is just lace, like a little bit of lace. Just don't get much lace on the top. For this hair to be $40 it is bomb, okay? Now let me tell you, the price starts at $42, okay, honey? So don't be in the comments like, you know, stop acting crazy. You know, the longer the length, the more money, okay, honey? A con about this hair is I don't like how the frontal is constructed. It makes it kind of tricky while you're making a wig of it, because I don't know, for me it was kind of tricky. Like, I didn't really like it. I'm used to, it's just basically like I have a frontal. I really didn't like the construction of it. Hairline, you get a lot of hairline, okay? In this part on the sides is like the hairline starts all the way back there, and that was like, sis, honey, what is you doing? Like, so that's why I'm like wearing it like this, because the hairline on the side starts all the way back there. Like, honey, no, my real hairline don't start all the way back there. So that was a con. Like, I wasn't loving that at all. Like, I was like, no, honey, boo boo, you got to go. Frontal is a cool idea and stuff, but I just wish that it was a full frontal, and you know, it'd be better to construct. As far as the sewing, I wouldn't recommend getting this done as a sewing. Definitely do this as a wig, honey, because I said the construction of the wig is pretty tricky. But yeah, let's get into the pros, okay? The hair is gorgeous, honey. The hair is gorgeous. It's a natural black. You can bleach this hair, you can perm it, you can dye it, you can do anything with this hair. It is life, okay, honey? Yeah, the hair feels so luxurious, and I really do not like suggest buying bundles that's like $100 each when you can just get this, girl, and it works fine, okay? Do not be ashamed to get beauty supply hair, okay? Do not be ashamed. Don't act like you're too bougie. It's the same thing, girl, same thing.
But yeah, the hair is so luxurious. I love the hair. It is giving me life. It is giving me soul. It's giving me body. It's giving me everything.
The hair section of this hair is body waves, and yeah. So basically, what I just did, you know, I just curled the hair. I did cut this hair a little bit because I wanted something kind of shorter, you know, something kind of more classy looking. So I did cut this hair, but I'm really loving this hair. I would just wear it in this style. I was gonna wear it in the middle part, but I didn't really like it. You know, side parts are my thing. Side parts are just so much sexier to me. Make sure you check out my website, guys. I have a wig just like this, similar to this, and it will be on my website to purchase. So I would just suggest, like, make your wig cap, when you're making your wig, make it bigger. Like, make it bigger than usual, because the way the frontal is constructed, you're gonna have to do a lot of sewing, and it's tricky. Okay, but yeah, this hair giving me luxurious, it giving me vibes, it's giving me I'm that bitch, I'm that girl, I'm that queen. Definitely keep you guys updated. Actually, this wig can also be glueless, because I'm not wearing like any type of glue to hold this wig down. I'm just using Godspeed glue gel, and I literally only put like a pinty little much on there, slap it on, and go. Comment down below, guys, how you feeling this hair, how you feeling this look. Like, just let me know, baby, let me know, Carl. My man don't call. But yeah, it's just hit like I don't even want to move too much because I might mess up my curls. But let's do a mini shake test. Let's go. Oh, it's still shaking. The link to this hair will be in the description box below. So make sure you like this video, give it a like, give it a comment, give it a share, subscribe. Yeah, babies, I love you so much, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye. Yo, that I didn't watch her last video. You hear me?